Yeah, we pitched a charity business, actually Carbonate. We're linking the foodies and the farmers to help farmers get the carbon from the atmosphere back in the soil. Really exciting day. Learned a heap. Venture Organics and Adam have just done an amazing job. Yesterday was a heap of great speakers. Today's been a body of expansive learning and then a terrifying chance to actually get up and talk in front of people and pitch, but just learned so much out of it. It's been great. Thank you.
Amazing. So what would you say to other people that were thinking of coming to an event like this?
Yeah, if you've got an idea and you're really passionate about developing it and getting it out there, this sort of thing's just invaluable because it really sharpens the model and sharpens your story around what you need to do to get it from in here to something that's practical and out there achieving what you want to achieve.
And did you find that you met different people in your space that you might not have had an opportunity to?
Yeah, tremendously broad range of people here. And it's just amazing. There's a lot of people doing great stuff everywhere. And so it was an opportunity to watch other people's pitch, learn from how they put it together, from the fumbles they make, because we're all in this together, fumbling away. But you make those networks that you just wouldn't come across otherwise, and help in marketing or whatever your weak patch may be. It's a chance to meet somebody that can help you out with it.